What's going on, YouTube? Mike here, and today we're going to do a little trail ride in the Jeep. So the place we're headed to is called Canaan Loop Road. It's about a 19-mile trail. About a quarter of it's pretty rough. You preferably need a lifted vehicle with probably a 33-inch tire on it, otherwise you're dragging on stuff and beating it off the rocks. But since we're in the Jeep today, we should be good. I got my two partners in crime with me today. This is Bear and this is Goose. So we're gonna head towards the trailhead. We're going in on the Blackwater side by the Blackwater Lodge, and then we're gonna pop out at Canaan Heights. So should be a pretty good afternoon in the woods. The sun's out right now, it's beautiful. This morning it was pretty cold and rainy and starting to snow, but this afternoon looks like the weather's gonna be real nice. So guess we'll find out. See ya. Well, we made it out onto the trail. We're at the very beginning or the start, close to Blackwater Lodge, and I wanted to give a quick rundown of the Jeep that I'm going to be taking out on the trail today. This is a 2001 Jeep Wrangler TJ Sport. It's got the 4.0 inline 6 in it, and it's got a 3-speed automatic in it. The lift is probably about a 4-inch, something like that. I'm not exactly sure. It's got 35-inch Nitto Trail Grappler tires. I really like these tires. They go awesome on the road. There's not a whole lot of road noise with them. They're just a great all-around tire in the wet snow and rocks and stuff that we're doing like this. These I installed probably about 2 months ago, and I really like these. They're made by a company called Sunpie, and you can get them on Amazon for 90 bucks for the pair of them. Definitely recommend those. There's a review by Kyle SVT on YouTube if you look them up, and it shows you how to install them and everything. Really a good headlight. As far as underneath the Jeep goes, it's got a Skyjacker lift. It's got tubular lower control arms on it. It's got the quick connects for the sway bar links on it. I'm not going to take those off today. There's not going to be anything crazy enough to where I need to disconnect the sway bar on it. The rear ends have been re-geared to where it has 456 gears on it now. So that's pretty much the main stuff on the Jeep. But overall, I think it should go through the trail pretty good today. I think this is the first time I've had it through here since I got it. So we'll see how it does, I guess. Alright guys, so I think today's video might be cut a little bit short. The blower motor isn't working in the Jeep right now, so I have no heat, and it's like, I don't know, 35 degrees outside, something like that, and I didn't bring a coat or a jacket. I think these two are just about sacked out. Bear's passed out on the back seat sleeping, and you're a little bit tired too there, bub. Anyways, so if I've held your attention for this long in the video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'm planning on making some more videos like this, more so in the future. Maybe some snow wheeling, once we get a little bit of snow on the ground. I know it's January the 5th right now of 2019. There's no snow on the ground. You would think there would be, but we're due for it. So hopefully in the next month or so, make another video, something similar to this. Don't know where it would be at yet, but stay tuned, and I guess I'll see you all next time.